My entrepreneurial journey started in the blue-collar town of Pascagoula, located on the beautiful Mississippi Gulf Coast. At the age of 12, a good friend of mine and I competed over who had the most lawn care clients in our neighborhood. My father and grandfather were small business owners, and I was immersed in the small business lifestyle from a very early age. I would help my father around his insurance office, pay bills, clean the office, cut grass, and other odd jobs. I saw how he always had time to teach me and my sister tennis, take us to the islands, go fishing, and simply had time to enjoy life. I knew from the age of 12 that I was destined to be a small business owner. In 2003, at the age of 29, I started my digital agency, and the roller coaster ride began. At the age of 38, I had already broken the 7-figure mark and began the process of removing me from my agency. At the age of 40, I retired from my agency, meaning I ran my multiple 7-figure agency by the numbers, and it took a grand total of 2 hours a week. During that crazy ride, we accomplished some amazing things. Lead digital consultant for the entire country of Fiji that led to a 5% increase in their total GDP. We worked with numerous household brands and won dozens of awards like Entrepreneur Magazine, Top Company Culture, Infusionsoft Partner of the Year for numerous years, Elite Business of the Year finalist, and the thing I am the proudest of is our clients' successes. For years, we would have someone in the running for the Ultimate Marketer of the Year award. It's kind of like winning the Oscar for marketing automation. The excitement of breaking through the 7-figure mark, hiring my first CEO, delegating all aspects of my agency. It was all so much fun and so exciting. In 2016, I immediately hired my staff and began the process of creating our flagship agency coaching program. Our Agency Success GPS business coaching program provides a real-world, step-by-step roadmap for agencies around the world to follow. The sooner you can evolve your skills to master sales, drive leads, develop KPIs, project management processes, service frameworks, and an agency sales system, the sooner you can work 2 to 4 hours a week while running your agency by the numbers, just like I did. With my proven tools, tactics, and strategic guidance, we can cut years, not months, off of your agency's success journey. The only difference between what I've achieved and what you can achieve is the knowledge and the tools. With my proven and simple to implement systems, we can transform your agency success journey to not only be very profitable, but it can be fun and a rewarding experience with dramatically less stress than you could have ever imagined.